pattern of Orion, thought current of Orion, the naval center. Constant hangover without the base of fear or desire is Ori. Understand? Constant hangover without the base of fear or desire is Ori. Means hangover for no reason. At least if you have a reason of fear or greed, you are having little smart hangover. Hangover for a reason. Hangover without any reason is worrying. The moment you bring authenticity into your thinking, worry disappears. As long as you don't bring authenticity into your thinking, integrity into your thinking, worry continues to rule you. Understand, worry is nothing but giving words to yourself thinking you will not know the words you gave it to you. Understand? You give words to others thinking you don't need to fulfill it, you can cheat. Others won't be able to find out. You can escape. The same mental setup, you use it on you in a very foolish way, thinking you can give these words and no need to fulfill, and you will not even find out the word given by you to you is Ori. Means layers and layers of unconscious sandwich is Ori. Many of you give word to you thinking even if you don't fulfill, you are not going to remember it, that you are not fulfilled or you are committed. How many of you immediately click with this idea, cognize this idea? You know. You know. Now you know worry. What is worry? Worrying is not having integrity and authenticity with yourself and not even realizing that you are going to remember it. Let me define worrying. Not having integrity and authenticity and still thinking you are not even going to remember, you are not integrated and authentic with you. For example, you give a word to you. Even if you think you are not going to fulfill it, you justify to yourself, I may not fulfill, but I am not going to question myself, I am not even going to remember the words I have given to me. Means layers and layers of unconsciousness has become a thinking style in you. That is why for a same problem, Even after you find solution, you forget the solution and suffer with the same problem internally and discover the solution again. After next day, again you forget the problem, forget the solution you discovered and suffer with the same problem, and again you find the solution. How many of you caught yourself finding solution for the same problem again and again and again and thinking, I found the same solution already. How did I forget? Raise your hand. You know this is worrying. If you are finding the solution for the same problem and same solution again and again and forgetting it again and again, rediscovering the same solution for the same problem again and again, be very clear, you are stuck in navel center. Your major suffering pattern is worrying. Because in worrying, not only you are inauthentic and out of integrity with you, you even forget you are inauthentic and out of integrity with you. A unique component is added in navel center to create worrying. Inauthenticity and out of integrity alone does not create worrying. You need to add forgetfulness to it. Then worry is cooked. Worry is the combination of inauthenticity, lack of integrity, and forgetfulness. When you remember your inauthenticity and out of integrity, you reach peace. When you forget your inauthenticity and out of integrity, you worry. I always tell people, you can become anything but never a loose. Worrying is literally like becoming loose. No, it is like, see, if you are out of integrity, if you are inauthentic, if you at least remember you can be saved by yourself or by others. You don't even remember. New participants may be thinking, what is loose? I am defining loose, please understand. Not even remembering the problems you have. Forget about not trying to find solution, not even remembering the problems you have and the powerful solutions which you already discovered is loose. losing O2, oxygen of your life. This is the definition of worrying. Being inauthentic and out of integrity and forgetting about your inauthenticity and out of integrity. When you are having this problem, you forget again and again the solutions you discovered for the same problem, and again today you find a solution for some major problem of your life, but in 4 days you forget. After a week again you are suffering with the same problem internally for 2 days to land on a same solution. After that solution clicks, again for 3-4 days the problem is not there. Then 5th day morning when you wake up, the solution is not there. How many of you are really able to cognize, oh God, I think Swamiji has a CCTV camera inside my head. This is what exactly is worrying. Forgetting inauthenticity and lack of integrity is worrying. The moment you remember authenticity and integrity, worry disappears, because worrying is not a positive existing problem. It is a negative non-existence. Please understand. Greed is a positive problem. Fear is a positive problem. Worry is negative space. It is not positive problem. Like a darkness is lightlessness. Worrying is unawareness. The moment you remember, it disappears. How many of you worry? You don't remember the solution when you worry. That is one more worry. You worry thinking that you are not going to remember the solution while you worry. It means your Manipuraga is locked and key is thrown in the ocean. Because, see, if you kept the key in the locker, at least at one point there is a possibility you can open the locker and remember the locker and get the key back and open. You just thrown the key into the ocean, means the only way is to break the Manipuraga chakra. That can be done by initiation. Bring remembrance to your authenticity and integrity, inauthenticity and out of integrity, worry will disappear. Understand? I am giving you the straight, crisp solutions. I am not adding extra words at all. Straight, crisp solutions. Bring integrity and authenticity and search your inner space. Where is worry? It will disappear. It will not be there. When you honor your commitments to you and others with integrity, you achieve reality. When you honor your life with authenticity, you go beyond fear. You become fearless, courageous, authentic. When you explain to yourself with remembrance, integrity and authenticity, your worry disappears. So the simple straight solution to be out of worry is remembrance. Remembrance happens by constantly talking about these truths to others and to you. Go on talking about these great tattvas, satyas, to others and to yourself. That is the only way you will be out of worries. Your navel center will be alive, awakened with the Kundalini energy. Catch people and start talking about these satyas. You may think what will happen to them. That is their worry. You be out of worry. Constant remembrance. I tell you, this mala, bracelet, keeping some quotations near your bed, putting some spiritual quotations in the Facebook, everything is nothing but a technique for remembrance. Remembrance with the same intensity relieves you from worrying. A remembrance with the same intensity relieves you from worrying. Now, please give the exercise sheet to everyone on worrying. Everyone got the exercise sheet? I'll read out the exercise. Write down all the aspects of your life that you worry about in your life. For each of these worrying aspects of your life, write down the thoughts you have, the words you utter and the actions you take, Identify where you are not being in integrity. Examine where you gave your words and did not honor and fulfill them. We'll move to the Kriya. See, this Kriya basically awakens the non-mechanical parts of your brain to remind you not to worry and be in authenticity and integrity. To bring you the remembrance, smarana. First step, Gomukhasana. Please move to Gomukhasana. In Gomukhasana, Uddiyana Bandha means contract the bowels above and below. Above and below the navel. Contract the bowels above and below the navel so that the abdominal organs touch the back. Understand? Like, hold as long as you can, then relax. Then again hold as long as you can, then relax. When you hold yourself in Uddiyana Bandha, your breathing will automatically stop. That is okay. When you relax, body will breathe. Again, do this very sincerely and authentically. This takes care of awakening the Kundalini in Manipuraga. Please close your eyes and do this continuously. The next instruction, be in the same posture, Bastrika. In the same asana, Bastrika means like the bellows of the ironsmith, systematically contract and slowly expand the stomach like a, you see. Like a bellowsmith, of a bellows of the ironsmith. Move, blow the air using your stomach out through the nostrils. Just exhale using your stomach. Continue with a bellowing sound. Forcefully blow out the air out of both the nostrils. Continue this for next few minutes. Sit for few minutes with your eyes closed. For the Kundalini to function in your navel center. You can open your eyes. Now, let's gather for next session. Thank you.